Good morning. It's very interesting topic, study of homeopathic materia medica, and what I have chosen is traveling from known to unknown, because last evening Amit calls me that if you can show some rare remedies, and I said rare remedy is a issue or study of rare remedies is more important issue. So first we should know how to study main remedies, then that will guide us to the going to something which is not known to us. So I made some presentation for your benefit. I will start with my experience, and I want you to participate with your experiences also. Rather we will do reverse, your experience of study of materia medica, let us put it that way. How do you found, how comfortable you were, or what difficulty you faced studying materia medica? Perfect. They look alike, very important, most important part is they look all alike. What other difficulty you faced studying materia medica?
To understand the exact meaning of what symptom is exactly given in that particular drug and how it will be presented by the patient.
Right. How to experience materia medica in patient, that is also very interesting part. Or how to differentiate various drugs. So two closely coming drugs. So but before differentiating drugs, you have to go and understanding drug, how to understand. I am going little more basic. I am going to basics of how to study materia medica, and then we will take up sample and we will go to some sensitive plant remedies. So you are covering your topic also. Simultaneously, it is very important that anything you can study well if you have a format ready. And something which I have picked up and I have learned, I will just share with you. My expertise is not materia medica, but that is more advantageous to you people, because I am not a materia medica professor. I am a student of materia medica, and how I am studying homeopathic materia medica is very critically important. Like we study and read patient, same problem we face in case taking, isn't it? Same way we are going through experience reading of materia medica. What you share, I am also sharing same experience, difficulty of materia medica. Lot of mass of symptoms, as he says, no connections which we difficult to memorize, no understanding, no knowledge, or maja aata hai when you go ahead, then various symptoms you have taken from patient, again that symptoms to materia medica travel, very difficult. Which one to choose, how to read patient and then connect it to materia medica, then various references. Clinic mein when we travel, there is another experience which we see that we do prescribe, whether we know materia medica or not, and then we have a sudden joy of seeing some good result, that I have prescribed XYZ remedy and Ada Toda Vasaka and there was some great result. But that is not any meaning to us, because we can't replicate into the second case. We don't know, we produce result by itni machine gun udaya कि एक Osama bin Laden killed हो गया, लेकिन how he was been killed no one knew. The strategy, processes, if it is not worked out well, then वो carpet bombing में कोई मर जाता है, अपने को पता ही नहीं चलता है कैसे कोई मर गया. Are you getting? So same way we have a carpet bombing in our clinical practices, where we go one after the other and then something strikes and patient is better. The whole experience goes waste, because we don't know what of that remedy, how was of that medicine has worked. So discipline of case is equally important to attach to that. And lot of blindfold thing happens. We go to conferences, ये 2-3 दिन का आपका conferencing हुआ, and you will be charged. I know now acid, I know opium, I know XYZ remedy, and that button off हो जाता है when we go to practice, and we are not able to apply that clearly. 1-2 case में apply करेंगे जो अभी तक देखे हैं, and then again we are in the same boat. So there should be some system, some method which makes us very concretely strong. We should understand how various masters have created images. Most problem comes up because now we are getting ready-made food, मैगी मिलता है ना अभी, खाली स्टीम में कर दिया एंड स्टार्ट ईटिंग. So now instant materia medicas are available. From where they have found out, we don't know. Various understanding of those materia medica is not clear. एक rubric इधर से लिया, एक symptoms इधर से लिया, दो चार पैचेस इधर से किए, कनेक्ट किया, materia medica दिखाया and we are happy. Applied to his one or two cases. Is that the image or something beyond that is very, very important. So, I am taking little more very vital topic, how to study materia medica, what are the various sources, where, how you will go, where you will attach. So, various questions which comes up in our mind. We have so many materia medicas right now. And can I build my own images if I am into practice? And I very strongly suggest to even all of my students that कोई बड़े lectures आसमान से नहीं आए, अपने में से evolve हुए. So there are some methods and system which they follow. That's why today they are what they are. Each student is potentially capable of creating his own portrait. He follows the discipline. तुमने कभी भी कोशिश किया वो discipline follow करने का? कुछ भी, समथिंग विच यू हैव डिफाइंड और डिजाइंड कि मैं materia medica ऐसे पढ़ूंगा, ऐसा कभी कुछ किया? और मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी हैव read commentators, right? J.T. Kent पढ़ा, टाइलर पढ़ा, नैश पढ़ा, नाउ मॉडर्न प्रोफेसीज सब पढ़े, सब लोगों ने तैयार करके जो दिया हमने पढ़ा, राइट? हमने कभी अपना पढ़ा? सबसे बोरिंग क्या था, सच्ची बता? What was the most boring in college? ऑर्गेनॉन, materia medica के अंदर, हाँ, माइंड, और उसमें भी क्या, कभी भी आपके पास एलन पढ़ के देखा या हेरिंग पढ़ के देखा? एलन पढ़ा था, एलन वो बिग, हाँ, वॉल्यूम नंबर 1, वॉल्यूम नंबर 2, की नोट्स वो भी तैयार माल. कभी भी पढ़ा कि नहीं? प्रूविंग कभी भी नहीं पढ़ा. वेरी डेंजरस थ्रेशोल्ड विल बी, आई विल टेल यू. वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग खजाना जिसको बोलते हैं ना, खजाना, ट्रेजर हंट. आपका प्रैक्टिस को कितना टाइम हुआ? जस्ट पास्ड आउट, यानी कितने पेशेंट्स देखे अभी तक? फिर भी किसी के साथ बैठ के 100, 200, 500 समथिंग. आपका एक्सपीरियंस प्रैक्टिस का? हाँ, फिर भी वो तुम्हारा ही है. कितना हुआ? मोर देन 1000, 500? ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. आपका 3 years. सो कितने केसेस देखे? 1000. आपने बहुत सारा लिस्ट होगा, इनन्यूमरेबल, राइट? प्रैक्टिस कहाँ है आपका? मीरज में ही है. एंड योर? होम्योपैथी somewhat? Reading materia medicas? It's very, very important. Kent, right. Kent has been actually stimulated a lot of people to join homeopathy from modern medicine also. Kent has played a major role. Lately, our teacher, Dr. Late M.L. Dhawade also played a major role of inviting, stimulating a lot of fraternity from allopathic field to join. They could put forward certain scientific methodology, but yet Kent's lecture was very popular, but people could not create second Kent. Again, we were trapped by his versions, trapped by what he has given, and we started eating. So आज छोटा सा एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, बोरिंग लगेगा तो भी. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग materia medica मैं बता सकता हूँ आपको. बुफोराना ऐसा है, मॉस्कस ऐसा है, बट इट विल नॉट मेक एनी सेंस टू यू अनलेस एंड अनटिल इट इज अप्लाइड. सो विल गो इनटू दिस एस्पेक्ट. How we utilize various source books, how we utilize